Does Vizio Smart TV have web browser? Many smart TVs come with a built-in web browser, allowing users to browse the internet directly from their TV. Vizio Smart TVs run on the SmartCast platform, which provides various streaming features, but users often wonder if it includes a web browser for internet browsing. 1. Web browser availability on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio Smart TVs do not come with a built-in web browser. Unlike some smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV, Vizio's SmartCast platform does not include a native browser for web surfing. Instead, it focuses on streaming apps and casting features. 2. Using screen mirroring to browse the web. Although there is no built-in browser, you can still access web content by mirroring a browser from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Vizio Smart TVs support Chromecast and Apple AirPlay, allowing you to cast Google Chrome, Safari, or other browsers to the TV screen. 3. Connecting an external device for web browsing. For a full web browsing experience, you can connect an external streaming device like an Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast with Google TV. These devices have web browser apps that allow direct internet access on your Vizio Smart TV. A connected laptop using an HDMI cable is another option for browsing. 4. Accessing online content without a browser. Even without a web browser, Vizio Smart TVs offer apps for streaming content, including YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu. Some models also provide access to news and entertainment apps that bring online content to the TV without needing a browser. 5th, troubleshooting web browsing limitations. If you experience issues casting a browser to your Vizio TV, make sure both your device and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restarting the TV and updating its firmware can help fix connection problems. If casting does not work well, using an external streaming device is a more reliable alternative. Vizio Smart TVs do not include a built-in web browser, but users can still access the internet by casting from another device or using an external streaming device. For a full browsing experience, connecting a laptop or a streaming device with a browser app is the best option.